Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm going to do an unboxing of this Etcher Lab Laminated Edition Mystery Box, Painter's Delight. Now, I watched a couple videos on this unboxing, so I kind of know what might be in here, but, you know, so I may be disappointed. I'm not for sure. I'm going to go ahead and take this off. And I got this, I don't think I got it from Etcher Lab. I got it from, gosh, it was from Illinois. So I am not exactly sure what this is all about. I seen it on Facebook, you know. So it wasn't on the Etcher store, so I just went with it. And, you know, I haven't gotten other things that I've ordered as well. But yeah, I think this is what they show on the other videos. So it's nothing, I don't know. It comes, I was hoping for a paint kit, the Etcher watercolors in this. As expensive as it was, I'm not exactly sure what I paid for it, but it wasn't cheap. So, comes with some watercolor brushes. Let's look at them to see if they're good. I don't think that they're going to be, yeah, they're like a golden Taklon watercolor brushes. You know, they may be okay. Let's look at this one. This is a number 10. I can just try them out here and see how they're going to work. I got dirty paint water. Let me get my... The only thing that I think that might be good is the sketchbook. So here is a B watercolor sketchbook, and don't have any paints, so I'm gonna have to use my Daniel Smith, which is okay. I like Daniel Smith's paint. They're one of my faves. And let's just paint a leaf with this sap green and see how it goes. Let's come down. Makes a nice thin line. And it's got a lot of bounce to it. Doesn't hold a lot of water. So we'll just have to, I don't know if I would be interested in this, if I would reach for these brushes. That's the thing. For the price, I would want to, it does put a big drop of water down, and I would fear that it would fall off. The water would glob down, and so yeah, it makes leaves okay, but it doesn't hold a lot of water, so we'll see about that. And already you can see where the tip is a little crooked, and I've just used it once. So we'll see how that goes. Now, I love Etcher sketchbooks. Oh, here you got a pen, Etcher pen. And we got a mini palette travel set. which I watched this in the other videos. I never purchased this on its own because I don't think I'd take it traveling with me because it's very heavy. But designed by Stephanie Law. Can't really get it off. Oh. There. And those are teeny, 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 tiny wells. And then there's that mixing tray. So I never purchased it for myself because I don't think I would use this at all. So we'll just see about that. I don't know. I might end up selling that. Got this. Etcher sketchbook, cold press, landscape format. I would keep that. So they're good. They're good sketchbooks. I have no complaints on the sketchbooks. And then a couple blocks of paper. Cold press and hot press. And they're very dirty. I am not thrilled about that. Very dirty. That's not how I would expect something to come delivered. So I'm really got big regrets on that box. I don't know if you can see that or not, but my hands are just filthy. So I wouldn't do it again. If you get messages on Facebook for you to buy it, I would say this is a big fat no for me. So that's all there is to it. And make your purchases wisely.